Question 11. Part A is about finding the vertical asymptote. Very easy. Look at the denominator. Think about when it goes to 0 and then it becomes a vertical asymptote. So we solve for 2x plus 6 equals 0. So we got it. The vertical asymptote is x equals minus 3. B. Find the coordinates where the graph f crosses the x-axis. It means that set the numerator to 0. So we set it to 0. Solve the equation and we got x equal to 12. But be careful, coordinates. So the coordinates of the point should be still 0, 12, 0. Be careful and look carefully about the question, lest you may lose one mark even you got the correct answer. You got it? Well done.